Welcome to CFMOTOsiderider. Today I'm going to be doing a review after using this KFI Plow system for a whole year. And I'm going to let you know what I think about it and how it worked for me. Well, I can say the winter started off slow. I was starting to think I wasn't going to be able to use my plow very much, but then all of a sudden, mid-January, it started snowing like crazy. Yesterday it snowed. It's March 12th now, and I just finished plowing, and it's been busy with the plow. I can say that, and it's been enjoyable with the KFI Plow. I have a click and go 2 plow system on my Suzuki Eiger, and I've been using that for the last 5 winters. And this really moves a lot of snow quicker because it's a 72-inch blade, but also with the side-by-side and the 72-inch KFI plow blade, I move snow with ease at the end of the driveway. So after a lot of use with this KFI plow blade, I can honestly say I had no problems whatsoever. It worked really well and it stood the test. Let me show you around the blade a bit. First of all, in the push tube, you hear people complain about this bracket here where your winch hook hooks up to. Mine never even bent. I hear people complaining about these breaking on their plow blades, not necessarily the KFI, but any plow blade. And I can say that this one is very strong and well mounted to the push tube because it hasn't budged. It did a great job. Now, as far as mounting the push tube up to the plow mount underneath my side-by-side, it was always fairly easy. Just an easy hookup, easy disconnect, because I disconnect it to go riding. Everything worked out great. The swivel here, lift this up and you can swivel your blade and angle it whatever way you want. It always worked great. Everything's good. It swiveled well, stayed. I've never lubed it. Everything moved really good. The skid shoes here on the plow blade, I was always able to disconnect it with ease to adjust the plow blade to the height that I wanted to adjust it to. Only took me like 3-4 minutes with a pair of pliers, pop this off, move your washers and rubbers around, and it worked out really good for me. Now I got a little bit of wear on both sides of the cutting edge, on this side and the other side, but that's to be expected. You know, because when you angle your blade, it's on a bit of an angle down, and you're rubbing more on this part than you are on the other side of the plow blade. So you're gonna get a little wear. I got curbs in my driveway, so I might have hit those a few times too. That's just normal wear and tear, not a big deal. As for the bottom of the cutting edge, there wasn't much wear and tear on it. Like I say, I kept it raised off my driveway about 3/4 of an inch to an inch because of gravel. And so I didn't really wear this out at all. One thing I did install was markers for my plow blade. I found that I couldn't see the corners very well, which makes sense. So I ordered these and installed them myself, and it really helped me out a lot too. Now the last thing, the rubber flap on the plow blade worked really good, keeping the snow down. On my other blade, I don't have this, and I really noticed a difference. Now, when I would plow fast up the driveway at a good speed to send the snow flying over the snow banks, I would, of course, get snow that would fly up over on my hood and up over my windshield and into my face, but it wasn't that bad. Next winter, I definitely will have a full windshield because plowing with just a half windshield doesn't cut it. A full windshield would have been perfect. But that's all I have to say for this KFI plow system review. Very strong built. I'm very happy with this KFI plow. And if I had to get another plow, I would definitely look at the KFI plow. That's how much I liked it. It's so solid. And one more thing, installing the KFI plow mount to my side-by-side was super simple. I have a video on that as well. You can check that out in my playlist. And I would actually rate this plow a 10 out of 10. That's how much I enjoyed it. So thanks for watching this KFI plow system review after one full winter. If this video helped you, give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next video.